Wednesday, November 1st, 2023. This is part 3. Right, previously, this morning I have do analysis, and then later on I decided to open a trade. And then now it's a part 3, continuation of what had taken place. Right. So to recap, this morning, AMD have news, AMD have earnings, a bit earning by so, but the guidance is going to be missed in itself. 6.4 billion they expected is 6.1 billion. So who knows what's going to happen, right? It's supposed to be down, it's supposed to be up. Who knows? It doesn't matter. What matters is what the market thinks it should go. And this morning, it opened up and it started running up. It started running up, and then on the first rounding, it had a nice breakout trade, but I wasn't there. I wasn't paying attention. I missed this whole nice run, right? All right. So this morning went up. The stock went up. Okay, that's a good look. Basically, the stock went up and then established the first week, came back a little, and then that was a breakout trade right here. This was what I bought. I didn't look at the market until 11 something later, so I missed this. And then second breakout too, I missed that. Okay, so missed it, those two, but that's fine. So as it continued to go, and that was a nice run. Right, by the time it came in, this is the peak. I'm like, okay, I need to take this trade. I want to take this trade, and then it fake out. Right, it ran the stop, broke up, and then it came right back. So I'm like, okay. At that point, the MACD was coming in a little. Oh, where's my MACD? Why did I guess MACD. The MACD was having a MACD divergence. So at that point, I was looking for one thing. At that point, I was looking for retracement. As you see, the MACD making new low on this. So I'm looking for retracement trade, and the rule of retracement trade is that look at risk reward 1-to-1 ratio. For every unit of risk, I'm just going to gain 1. That's it, because the up day is I'm counter trend. That's not the type of trade, but might as well. So eventually, I open the trade here, and then they run the next stop. They start to go up again. The reversal trade doesn't work out, and it ran my stop, and I say, okay, I gotta get out, turn into a long. But then it came back again. I turned into short again. So I'm two units down. At this point, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna set this to 1 to 2.5. All right, but this is a reversal trade. The rule is 1-to-1, and I'm really extended this trade. So it did eventually came down, and then, but the problem is I'm seeing all these buy. Every time I push it down, you see these long tail, this long tail, this long tail. Every time it got pushed down, the buyer came in and bought it again. So I'm telling myself, there's still a lot of buyers. And by miracle, it did one last push, and I got off right in time. I got off right here. And make a profit. We raise all my losses, and then guess what? It started running up. Oh my God. So from my experience, I would say that move I need to get out, and I need to get out. This is minute by minute. Okay, every bar's minute. Within that minute, I decide to get out. With that minute, next minute, it starts running up, and then it doesn't look back. It starts running up, right? Look at the Heiken Ashi. That was the last move. Okay, and then start making these. Because this is a minute by minute bar, the technical analysis is way off, way wacky most of the time. I will tell you. That's why I don't trade intraday. I prefer. Okay, but I'm saying if this is a daily bar, each bar represents a day, what would I have done? Using the setup, using the method that I've been using. Alright. So now it's very clear. Momentum switched back to the upside. By now, a histogram on the MACD turned green. Alright, and these need to get out. Okay, I will have got out and take whatever profit I can get. Right? And offsets the previous loss. That's all it is. In actuality, I mean, a histogram telling like this, you have to get off and take profit. Try and stop. That's very important. Knowing how to take profit is the other half of the game. So far, I've been only teaching the setup, only showing you the setup. Right? We need to spend time on start slowly, understand how to take profit. Right? MACD crossover, histogram turn green. Your short need to get off. Your short needs to take profit. I use this to take profit, basically. I use it for divergent setup and a profit taking. In that sense, I use the Heiken Ashi for trend continuation. In that sense, right? So I'm short. It turned green. This turned green before the crossover. Notice the moving average crossover. This turned green already. 1, 2, and 3. By 3 bar, the crossover takes place. That's why I say 3 bar on the Heikai Ashi. And then you see the histograms really coming in, starting turning green on next bar, and the crossover will take place. You gotta get off, take profit, because things about to change, and it did. It did change, and guess what? Not only that it changed, it's like doing a thing sideways. Every time you push it down, you see these tail. You see this tail. There's buyers in the market. There's buyers in the stock. Eventually make even new high towards the end of the day. It closed at the high of the day. Right now, 3:48, 10 minutes to close. It still want to runs up. What does that tell you? This is such a strong stock. That reversal play, without the experience I have, without a good exit setup, will have turned a winner into a loser also, in that sense, right? Now I stay with all my stop loss, which is good. You have to stay with stop loss. You have to say, okay, I'm wrong. This trade is not working out. Get off, right? Take the loss, right? Those two kick was fast, and that one worked out. But have I overstayed? Will turn that winner into loser also. Amen. So yes, MACD, it works well for taking profit. I would tell you that, and divergence trade, and it worked out. But I was testing. I don't know if it's going to go up or go down. I was like, okay, maybe let's go up, maybe go up. The market will tell me, and I will flip the trade. But the real trade again is always when the momentum is that in the beginning. Had I took this trade in the morning, and that will be a bit D trade, that will make a lot of money. That's why trend following work. You see, breakout 1, 2 times. I will lay it in 2 times, and eventually, when do I get off? Okay, when do I get off? When do I get off? Right, so it's like going up, continue to go up. Right, hold on. Heikai Ashi stay green all the way. No 3 considered red until it peak here. Right, then it crossed down. Stay with the trend using Heikai Ashi, right, until this turn. Yes, this crossed down too, but the Heikai Ashi does not give me 3 red bars, so stay with it. Use that to stay with the trend. Use this, the MACD. Use Heikai Ashi to stay with trends because it's a trend following indicator. Use MACD because it will change the trend, a dying of momentum. To do that, that's the setup. That's how I take profit, and that will be such a big win this morning. Right. Okay, that's about it. That's all. I'm going to finish this right here. So that was an exciting day. I just want to demonstrate how to work the breakout trade. How will I play a reversal? Have this a daily bar is the same thing. Doesn't matter what's the time frame. Right. Fundamentals behind it. Things start running. Look for the setup and play the setup. Right. That's your job. That's my job as a trader. Right. Okay. Well, thanks for watching. Very exciting day. It was fun. Sure was fun. Until next one. Let's see what's going to happen tomorrow. Okay. Have a good one, everyone.